Welcome to Twinkle Tunes for Kids!
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my teacher, 1 for my friend, 1 for the puppy with a waggy tail to bend. Baa Baa, happy sheep, jumping in the sun, clapping little hooves, having so much fun. 1 for the farmer, 1 for the cow. Everyone is laughing, sing along right now. Baa Baa, rainbow sheep, shining bright and sweet. Red and blue and yellow wool, colors can't be beat. 1 for the kitty, 1 for the hen, 1 for the children, then we sing again. Baa Baa fluffy sheep, resting in the hay, dreaming gentle dreams at the end of day. 1 for the baby, soft and small, snuggle, snuggle, bedtime, good night to all. Baa Baa, happy sheep,